let's start with that illustration 10. Read the question carefully. Santi and Satya were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:1. Underline that 4:1. On 31st March 2013, their balance sheet was as follows. Balance sheet we are given here as of 31st March 2013. Creditors, workmen compensation fund, Satya's current account, capital account, Santi's 2 lakh rupees, Satya 1 lakh rupees. Bank account 55,000, debtors 60,000, stock 85,000, furniture 1 lakh, machinery 1 lakh 30,000. Santi's current account has the debit balance. Current account on asset side, that means debit balance. Now let's see the adjustment. In case of resolution, we will not to see the adjustment first. First of all, we will transfer the balance sheet to the realization account. All the liabilities will be transferred to credit side and assets on the debit side. So let's see the first creditors. I will start with that liability side. So by creditors, how much? Creditors 45,000. We are asked to prepare only realization account. That's why we will prepare only realization account. Or else we have to prepare realization account, capital account, and then cash bank account. And if we are given the partners loan, then we will prepare the partners loan account. Okay. After that, workman compensation fund will be distributed among the partners after deducting or adjusting the claim against it. Satya's current account will be transferred to partners capital account. Capital account, we are given here the balance of the capital account will be transferred to capital account. So only the one liability is given here, creditors. Then bank 55,000, asset side, debtors. All the assets we will transfer here. To assets account. We will transfer or at least all the assets here. Debtors. How much? 60,000. Stock. $85,000. Furniture. 1 lakh rupees. Machinery. How much? 1,30,000. Total goes to outer column 230, 238, 290, 75,000. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's start with the adjustment one by one. We will release the assets and then pay the liabilities. Okay, first we are given Santi took over 40% of the stock at 10% less than its book value. Its book value, and the remaining stock was sold for this 40,000. So first of all, stock. Total stock we are given.
So light hours.
85,000. No problem. 85,000. Okay. Out of that, 40% of the stock. 40% took over by Santi. And the remaining 60%. So 40% of 85,000, that is 34,000. Yes, okay. 34,000.
And this one?
Sit there. 34,000. Okay, these 40% stock took over by taken over by Santi at 10% less than its book value. That means what? minus 10%. This is 3,400. So it is 30,600. So first of all, we will release that assets taken over by Santi. So here, when we have transferred the assets, debit side. So when it's released, transfer to credit side. So by Santi's capital account. Stock. Inner column 34,000 minus 3,400. Outer column 30,600. Is it clear? The second effect of this stock taken over by Santi is in capital account on debit side. Is it clear? So the journal entry for the stock taken over is what?
Realization.
Santi's capital account debited to realization account. Realization account credited. That means Santi's capital account debited. Is it clear? Okay. Then we are given the remaining stock was sold for rupees 40,000. Remaining stock, how much? 51,000. Sold for rupees 40,000. So that means what? 40,000 released from the stock. So we will make heading here by cash bank account, normally bank account, stock remaining for rupees 40,000. Page number 8.17, illustration number 10. Is it clear? Okay. Then furniture release rupees 80,000. So furniture, same way the furniture released rupees 80,000.
સર આમાં બેલેન્સ શીટ આપણે બનાવી શકીએ કે આમાં આપણે અમાર લોકો
Actually, we are not asked to prepare the balance sheet. That's why I have not prepared the balance sheet. When we are not given any information and we are asked to prepare the necessary accounts in case of dissolution, we will prepare what? First realization account, then partners capital account, and then cash bank account. Actually, this is what the dissolution of the firm. That means what? After dissolution, there is no balance sheet. Okay, is it clear? Now the second adjustment, an unrecorded investment was sold for rupees 20,000. So unrecorded investment released rupees
20,000.
Unrecorded investment for rupees 20,000. Then machinery. Machinery released for how much?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1,30,000.
No, machinery release, it is given there
Okay.
at a loss of rupees 60,000. Machinery release at a loss of rupees 60,000. That means whatever the book value is 1,30,000 and it is released at a loss of 60,000. That means release for rupees 70,000. It is sold for rupees 70,000. Debtors release 55,000. Debtors release for 55,000. Okay. No other information regarding any other assets. The total of these 40 plus 80, 120, 140, 210 and 2,65,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. What will be the journal entry for these?
Cash bank
Cash bank account debited rupees 2,65,000 to realization account 2,65,000. Being assets released. Being assets
Released.
Is it clear?
Yes.
The last adjustment, there was an outstanding bill for repairs for which rupees 19,000 was paid. So here we have to pay. That means what? The bank balance will decrease. That means it should be as per the rules. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. It should be credited to bank account. So realization account debited to bank account. So to bank account. What is it? Outstanding bill. How much? 19,000. Now listen me very carefully. If there is no adjustment or no information regarding release of an assets, it is assumed that it released for rupees 0. That means nil. But on the other hand, if we are not given any information regarding that payment of liability, it is assumed that it is paid in full. That means one liability we are given here. Which one? Creditors. So creditors should be paid in full. So creditors paid rupees 45,000. So outer column it is 64,000. Now total. Okay, I think the debit side is more than that of credit side. Is it clear? There is no other information. Okay. Okay, so total of these 4,39,000 will be transferred to credit side 4,39,000. Out of these 4,39,000, this will be subtracted. So 3,10,000, 3,40,000, 600. 3,40,000, that means 99,600. That means 98,400. Check that answer is what? This would be transferred to by capital account loss. कितना रहा है?
शांति 98,400.
98,400. It should be distributed among the partners Santi and
Satya.
the first name is Santi.
78,700.
Santi 4:1. It should be
Ratio.
distributed in the 4:1. That means 5. So 98,400 is distributed in the ratio of 4:1.
1.
Okay, how much?
78,720.
720 and the remaining.
19,680.
Is it clear? This loss will be transferred to partners capital account and the entry for this is what? There's an account credit. That means the partners capital account should be
Satya
debited.
debited to
Santi's capital account debited rupees 78,720. Satya's capital account debited rupees 90,680. Two realization of 98,400 being a realization loss transferred to partners capital account. Transfer.